Hi folks, unfortunately I'm not able to come in today, but that's all right. Here's the plan for today. The title is Cells Are Systems. You're going to need your notebook because you're going to take some notes and turn in a photograph of them, and nearpod because you're going to do some work on nearpod. The big idea, of course, is to work on your cells comparison project, and there will be some information about that in the nearpod and the videos today as well. Here's the plan. We're going to start off defining a system. And you're going to look at a cell as a system, specifically as a city. Then you'll choose your own version of a system and start comparing a cell to that system and thinking about your project. There are so many different kinds of systems out there: organ systems, ecosystems, weather systems. Take a moment and pause the video right now to jot down what you think a system might be. Here it is, the definition of a system. Make sure you write it down. A system is a group of parts working together. The circulatory system is a group of organs, tissues, and cells all working together. An ecosystem is a complex combination of plants and animals and water all moving around together in a predictable fashion. The solar system is made of planets orbiting the sun in a specific way. A weather system is a combination of masses of air moving around in a predictable way. A group of separate parts all working together. Here are some more examples of systems. A car has an engine and wheels and a steering wheel and a driver, and a frame, all working together to make it go. Manhattan East has a principal and teachers and cafeteria and a gym and classrooms and teachers and students, all working together for education. New York City is a system. It has a mayor's office and a Department of Transportation and Sanitation and police and fire and education, all working together to provide services for its citizens.